Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve x to the power x is equal to 3, or taking ln to both sides we can write ln x to the power x is equal to ln 3, or according to law of logarithm we can write it as x ln x is equal to ln 3, or x can be written as e to the power ln of x times this ln of x is equal to ln of 3, or rearranging it we can write ln of x times e to the power ln of x is equal to ln of 3, or taking Lambert w function to both sides we will have w ln of x times e to the power ln of x is equal to w of ln of 3. Now from Lambert w function we know w a e to the power a is equal to a. Now applying this rule to left side, w a e to the power a, so it can be written as ln of x is equal to w of ln 3. So the value of x is equal to e to the power w ln of 3. This is the general solution of this equation. The Lambert w function is a multi-value function. The subscript of w can be any integer, like when the subscript of w is 0, then the value of x is equal to e to the power w naught of ln of 3. Then the approximate value of x is 1.825455, and this is the only real solution of this equation, and there are infinitely many complex solutions of this equation for the other subscript of w, like when the subscript of w is 1, then the approximate value of x is negative 0.07382 minus 0.22575i, and for the subscript of w is negative 1, the value of x is negative 0.07382 plus 0.22575i, etc. infinity many solution of this equation, and the only real solution is this. So this is the solution of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.